From moving vehicles to title and registration, from recovery and storage to maintenance, and more, Reindeer Logistics offers a customer-focused, end-to-end solution.
Reindeer has been in business 28 years. We are a logistics company, end-to-end supply chain, and so we move vehicles. I'll make it simple. We're global. We can do title and registration, recovery, storage, maintenance, you name it, we can do it. It all depends on what our clients' needs are. At Reindeer, we like to focus on our customers' needs. So the first thing that we do is we sit with them and we learn about their goals. We're not interested in being the largest. We want to be the best at what we do. We are kind of a niche business. We do white glove, door-to-door type services. And so we want to be an extension of our clients as a partner, not a vendor. Since COVID, which has changed everyone's business model, we started to listen to our clients, and some of the feedback was, look, not one partner in the industry can understand our needs and give us everything we want. So what we decided is that as a concierge partner, we wanted to learn their needs, their business goals, and design a program around that. So we have clients who have everything from full service models, we pick up tools for them, to every vehicle gets a detail before delivery. The goal is in our what we call our Road Ready program is that when our clients' vehicles are delivered, they're ready to get in and drive from that moment.